Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. We are doing some accent / carbon fiber trim into the 2017 Highlander. So also, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I think it's down here, and then put notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Anyway, just subscribe, it's free. Let me show you what we're working on. So here they are. We bought these from AliExpress, and this is the big piece. Let me show you where they're going. So we're gonna replace this guy, or we're gonna put some quote-unquote overlay over it, one here, and the big piece is gonna go right up here and the back doors. So let's custom it. Okay guys, so for this one, like the other one, you need some rubbing alcohol, lint free, and we just start cleaning. See, as you can see, there's a little tiny bit stuff up there. Removing it and make things easier. Okay, now we have the little carbon fiber overlay piece. Let's take out the 3M tape that comes with it. Okay, now we have to line it up perfectly. All right guys, so here it is. Makes a car look so much different. Looks really good. Next side. So here is the final look, guys. It looks really good. Show you the back door. Looks really good. So now we gotta do this big old piece. Okay guys, same exact thing. Let's just clean this up. Okay, let's go get the piece. So here is the big piece, guys. So let me take out the 3M tape now. Okay, finally I took all the tape off. Now let's put them on. Let's start from this big side right up here. So what do you guys think? I like it. Let me see. See? So here you go guys, the carbon fiber overlay looks amazing. I really like it. Let me get some for my car. Look at that. Almost look like it's OEM. I love it.
Oh, wow.
Looks really good.
Oh wow.
Uh-huh. There's a couple more little carbon fiber accent we're gonna install, guys. This one that goes right up here. So here it is, guys. Let me take the Okay, let's line this up super carefully because you're gonna get one chance at doing it. Yeah, perfectly. That looks good. Nice. Yeah, I do too. I like it. All right, next one. Here it is. Let's put it on, guys. Those are actually a lot easier because it just lines up so perfectly. Nice. Okay, then the next one is on this side. Okay. So here you go, guys. I mean, they really look good. And then this guy. So let's keep going. All right, guys, I already showed you this stuff here. I got a bunch of other stuff I want to show you that we added. You seen this one? We added this one, the little carbon fiber trim. This guy right here. These guys. That. This guy. And the back one, the back door. And another little one right here, carbon fiber, and this one too. I think that's about it, just in case I missed something. All right, guys, so all the little carbon fiber trim, you know, stick-on stuff are all done. Looks really good. I love it. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, like and subscribe. It's free. Thank you again. Until the next time. Peace.